What them a go do ya now? NEWLINK and the attack now. Bring a old chain setter. NEWLINK.
Bless up my viewers and subscribers. Big up in the cell, man. I don't know, so they attacking boss there and the NEWLINK from NEWLINK production. So right about now, my people, boy, I'm tell you say, attack, you know. Straight attack right now. And you know when NEWLINK come and say attack people, it's definitely an attack. Zin? Because right now, people, you have this boy right now, a Jamaica people. Zin? You know a place up in a sand catching, my people. No? Him there in a police custody, people. See? And this boy now, real demon. Real demon in a people. Real demon. Because this boy, R.A.P.E. in a people. A lady at the time, people, at her age was 61. 4 years ago. And up to date, people, this lady still can't get the justice so she forget. Zin? And now we have some recording, people, where this lady was speaking to someone and sharing her whole concern and what go on, people, about the whole incident. How them wicked sin thing here. Demonic sin thing here. So now this lady is supposed to be, say, 65 people. And I'm telling the people, sad. So let me just play this. Because, yo, we go through this, my people. No joke.
I have a small one, that little small one, which we go to school to get the convenience, like I'm up here, to stay where I work with her. Right? So, me and that one son alone is here. For when the husband gone now. Me active enough and me can do my business because of the bush and whatever, something like that. So, the 12 years and like, what else is going on? Me don't have a fear because it's like, me come in, it's like, I'm like it now. Yeah. And letting, that's why me clear yourself because me not letting any of them.
And I exactly know where you're coming from. I believe you. You understand? So I explain why I believe. Trust me, miss, it hurt my heart. Right, so, it hurts me. My husband got like this Sunday this morning. But I thought things were feeling from work hard. Yeah. I'm going to go from work and live out. So me go in the market and sell it by myself. Yeah. And leave my son alone. So you see Saturday morning now, that's Saturday morning it happened. He said now the road like, the taxi man, you used to usually carry me now. You carry me like 3 o'clock in the morning. And my husband knew that I leave every 3 o'clock in the morning. That's why he's here. So the taxi man called me now and said, I must come out. Yeah. And I took me up that time. Yeah. But me not come out until me know it's very near. Yeah. Alright, but you know, you're right in time and you must have fear, so I don't really want to come out. True. So I said down the road from the Friday evening. So I go down Saturday morning early, pick up the road, and take it down and say, now let me come back home Saturday evening. Yeah. While the son alone is here. So they said the man when me go home. This is right at the post office, so it was a post office. Okay. Right out here, you see that building. That building, the red building. It's a post office. Yeah, okay. They abandoned now, you know? Okay. Somebody else want to do that business. Yeah. You're not working anymore. So we both away. In this week, I'm like husband and wife. Yeah. That's your son. Yeah. He sit right close to me like this. And I saw him over me. Yeah. Till the taxi man. Oh, so you guys were there waiting on the taxi? Me. But I never see them. I never know about them. I hear no about them. Yeah. I never expect it. So that's why I'm traumatized because I never expect it. Alright, this is when he told us it like this and like the one lap. He just showed me and said, boy, come out and lap. Yeah. Now you go like a baby too. Yeah. Let me tell you rise on my dad. Yeah. And he get up out of my lap and he said, oh man, you come some man. I used to when I look back like so. There was a big bamboo grass road right out there so. And I don't show you, I'm not going to walk on the trail. And you see when you see the grass road, my husband always I say, you know, see that grass road, I have to kill. You chop it down. Chop down. Yeah. Because me don't like it right at the gateway there so. And you're in here want to eat. Yeah. Sometimes I'm not here. You can burn it out and kill it when we come back. You understand? And we happy, right? And you see like me look back behind so. You see this two guy coming. Now the full suit of black. You see like we have a black. The same way they have on the full suit of black. And the 2 of them or 3 of them? Two of them. 3 if one was on the way or hide off. Yeah. But the 2 front way. Because I heard one from Mali and the one from Udall and I heard that one was from Belfield. Me no know. 2. 2, you saw 2 of them? I saw 2. Okay. I saw 2. Okay. It can be 3, one hide off or thing like that. I don't know. But that's all. 2 of them. So while we sit there now, you see them coming towards us. But
some little young boys, some they go British, you know, because British don't go and go buy a cow and sell cow.
Okay.
So sometimes they visit them at morning time and they will make game after week.
Yeah.
So they say, why I want to go about a reason and let me know, man, I want to come so. So when you see them, I come to one, I say, why look what I'm doing?
Oh, so you thought it was those guys?
It was those guys.
Yeah.
I never know.
It was the culprits.
No, right.
Yeah.
So while I went there, sitting in the NEWLINK and sit beside each other. One just come right at this side of my son and this side at me.
Yeah.
And we look, I'm going for them out. They said, Jesus have mercy. See what I said?
Yeah.
Because me tell the honest truth. I saw a gun on the television and they showed him.
Yeah, but you never see a gun in real life.
But in real life,
yeah.
it's so close. And first I see a gun.
So you did terrified and traumatized.
So just imagine how me traumatized.
Yes.
So you see, when I see them come up before me and I say, girl, give me what you got. I say, I don't have anything.
Big woman could have been their grandmother.
I say to them, I say, girl, give me what you have. I show me the right out, I can't talk, you know, and he said, girl, give me what you have. Or today, my anniversary, you know, my house and he said, give me what you have. And I said, me don't have anything. Market, me going to sell. If I come, me coming back now, I say, give me have, maybe can get something. Yeah. But me don't have anything with me. Yeah. Give me some US dollars, they keep with me, and I take $50 out of it. You know, pay me with the mark. Yeah. Me don't have to use it, but me walk with it. Yeah. But me don't make them know that I have that. Yeah. Alright. He said, what you have done? He said, you know where your phone there? Me and I say truth, I tell him, I want to, you know, market money, and I go back with their steel and them aisle back and things like that. And that me have my own in too. Yeah? Come man. And we said to him, say, I'll be this alone. And said, that I have my apron and I put the bill in the bag and I held back on my phone and I did. I'm not holding it and I like hold using that wallet. Yeah. And I said to him, he says, all that, I said, maybe see one. And I said, take you out to it, two of them are war for the phone.
The two of them are fight for the phone? Because one said them wanted.
I just said,
nice to meet you, my boss.
And get the phone, and get in the phone. So I get them in case they don't let me go now. I don't have any money.
You tell them where they are screwed on.
Yeah, they tell them money. I have no issue about that. This so that was after Friday. I will walk to them about this way. And he said, so I drew the phone and I said, if you give me what me have, he says, I'm a phone there. He said, give me your phone, girl. And I take out the phone and I give him one nice expensive one now. And he's from America, so he come to me now. And you know, say, if somebody from America give you a phone, they're not getting a phone.
Yeah.
Right? All right. So I give them a case now, so they don't leave me alone after I give them the phone. So after then, give me one coming on the case. I can't tell if I handy, I can't tell if I the next one I want. Come up to me and say, girl, some pussy me want.
Jesus Christ.
Girl, some pussy me want.
And at the time, he mind about probably 20 or 19.
Yeah, 19, 20. And some years, they young, you know, when I tell you,
so this lady could have been a grandmother, you know.
A year about 19, 20 then.
That's how some pussy me want, girl. One of them I can't tell if I handy say, the next one say, but one of them said that to me. He said, Jesus Christ. He said, Master Jesus Christ, shed your poor right blood, my girl. He said, you're dead. See what they said to me? They have a record of my head. And it could drop off on me like this. And he said, what that? He said, that blood, you're dead tonight. Alright. That, for 3 man, he have to come like a night.
Yeah.
But then the taxi man don't come yet, you know. And you know, like, me sit down like how you see me sit down here. Me used to wear tights and I don't know how they wear tights that morning. I wear slip. And he should be and he said, me not be pull up and give him some. He said, me not pull up, it was you know, you not get me pull up. He said, me I'll take it. And he should be hand so and I make close to me and right down and should be hand and draw down my slip, draw down my skirt, I have a jeans skirt, draw me down and strip me and trap me right on the concrete part of the floor. You know, oh, this I'll show you. And then me not like that when the verse come me bad, we see me over there. Today we 32 years anniversary together. And we live together from, we are 17 and 23 years. We get together from boyfriend and girlfriend days. And he never text me like who that boy do me. You understand me? And
yeah, because
one man for me.
Yeah, and
you see, I started then him done, right? And the other one come up and say, girl. I think, say, like I say, no calling him like I say, what is your name again? You know, like I said,
one of them name Honk, and one, me remember next one name. One of them name Honk.
Yeah. And one of them come up to me, you know, I think he was watching, and I'll be sucking, you know. So they must suck him penis. And he start ball up, and me never see them, you know, me drink.
Come on,
then is something.
Yes, Papa, run him.
Alright, how you see? After I said, he said, dog, you know, call him. He said, dog, I feel tired now. And he don't come around now. And he get on my son there. I go, my son there, with one foot on him. And he go 9 years. And he must go, he got full of himself now. You don't allow me to get up, you know. And like say, you don't get up and clean up yourself, man. You don't allow me to get up. I told him that I want to tell you, Mr. Son, you know. Alright, and then she must go left. Either one come round to me now, front now, come down, yeah. The taxi man I come up, they don't know say taxi man I come. They see light a flash I come round, so they don't see light, and then I focus on up until I come. And as him I come now, the taxi man see light, they up my leg box. And one turn on the road, someone turn on this road. And me no see not them from this one again. So when the taxi man come down and I say, Mr. No, me case don't come down. I say, me can't, me case if you know what time I'm going to close down the shop. I say, if you know what happened to me, you me case. I say, what happened to you? I say, take me up quick and carry me run on the house. He said, we are going to use how you case, Mr. I said, man, just come rape me and take a while and take my phone. He said, Jesus Christ. And they park me like curb up the sun. These are really when we go market, we can't see that clothes. And I say, anything can, I can't extra clothes. And I go to say, me do that. And the guy low me, my face wrong, me the more, and then I lay no way. And I can drive and clean up myself. And I say, you can't say so, Mr. I have to go back to. I have to go back and you have to clean up yourself. The guy that's small. I say, you can't go back there. That is what the clothes and the guy and blood up. Right now, they have the stage and everything like that. When we go down, the first place, we go to doctor. We never have the money and it's not in the place. And I pay for one doctor. I mean, as we tell about that, we never have it here. And the taxi man said to me, how much do I want? He said, give me 3,000. You know, if I'm worried. And when we go on the doctor, I never open. They said, I'm not open until 8 o'clock. And we go back to that's why my ears are to market. Alright. And they clean up the bathroom and there's enough to wait, nothing to just use it. I don't know if I put them out plastic back there to me. Also, so that I can, the girl then tell me, we're registered. And I tell him I walk. So I said, that I come first, they will call you. And they call me exactly 8 o'clock. And I never have my phone and I give them one of my friend number. And they call my friend and say, me must come now. But I don't see anything. And she follow me.
So you go back on the market?
Yeah, me go and start put out and miss up them also. And to let me meet and like a loses that. You know, I'm still gone, still the load then gone, everything is get that. And nobody comes to me to investigate none from me and me get sugar no. So since I did that, I know when me tell about everything, I call, me tell and call her. And tell her what happened to me. She said she now go back to go church, she have a come check me. So when she come in the market, mommy come now, but you go like that, and that because we must go back in the market. If you want to let us straight to the police station. And when we go to the police station, they take the statement and we take it. And the police, they say straight to the hospital, they have a gun. When the Lord check and steal everything not to pieces, I don't know what they come at it. You understand?
Right.
I have to let them figure it out myself.
Right.
And I never get through to them. I have to do all the practice, and you know, all the practice. Till about 9 o'clock at night. 5 of them carry me back home. I never come home here. I stay by my daughter down there. Yeah. And they said, I must come back home by myself again. You know? And stay by myself. And that the case. So, we want me down there. Then I have to visit them. Then visit me and still take me. And I said, I'm traumatized. I can't get a good statement that time. Yeah. But me never traumatized that I couldn't tell them what happened to me.
Because you know exactly what happened.
Yes, and the same one to me tell them what happened to me. You understand? So, I have to go and come to class. I have to go on NIS. And my son have to go doctor to get treatment out of my pocket. And I have to send my private doctor for treatment. I didn't want to find some burst. And you know.
So them use the gun and lick him in a fire.
Yes, I think it's stitches. I believe 9 stitches in the you understand? Alright, I'm here to say, you get treatment favor me. Other day, people get the drink, I'm going to get better, you understand? So Sundays now, me come home, but not when they come and me come back home. After me come home, they call me one long time after that. I never hear out since letting me hear, so they have a boy, if I don't hear nothing further, they never call me. And when they say to me, you know that you must visit identification for the disabled at 3. And it was about 2 o'clock that evening when we get the call. He said, I never get no call. So we can't, and where we live, you know, live in here, and we jump, we can't get a taxi.
Right.
Sometimes up here 2 hours and can't get a ride to
yeah.
You understand? I mean, nobody have them one ride to carry. So we never go. So they call me and ask me when we can make it available. And if we can remember what happened before we come and tell them. And if we see them face, if we can find them out. But true, me not see them face. Me, I tell you honestly true. They said, we don't want to find out wrong person. And I know them, you understand? So I saved them in, and they never did that on the mask.
So you didn't tell the police then that you didn't see their face?
Yes, me never see face. Yes, that's what I did tell them.
But it no matter, you know, because you see, you can't say you're scared. You know what I mean? But what me would I like if you do? Alright, I'm never tell you what them do to me. I don't never see him friend, you know. Yeah. Alright, sees me come out.
Well now people, seems like the root of them evil and now continue. Zine, and sorry, first of all I want to say, sorry for some part of the other people because that look good the boy. I don't know, like you want mommy or you want papi. You know what I mean? Be nice people. Oh my world, oh my precious NEWLINK. But still, you're not going to stop with from covering the story, people, because things like this need for highlighted and need for go out there. See? And the thing about this thing I know, people, is that this same thing I know who carry out this act, people. See? Or one of this same thing I know. If they are jail right now, without bail. But they are jail pertaining to this, but not fully with the RAPE thing, but for other things, because it's a local demonic thing, you know. A lot of people know when people say, you're a criminal, you're a this, you're that, lot of things in do. See, at the age of year, them say when they carry out this thing, people, 4 years ago, you was what? Like 19, 20. See, so now the boy maybe 24, 25, young boy. And at the time of the age when they do that to the lady, she was 61 years old, my people. See, what them do? And the boy, them take out them thing and put in the woman mouth, people. See? For sure them deal with the woman. Fly all juice in the woman and them something there. See? That's how they deal with that, people. The police them now, people, not doing a great job, honestly, with this. Because them have the clothes, you understand, with, you know, DNA, everything there on the people. Because until the boy they do this and do that. And they hold the boy them and then still, see? Just because you know see their face, but they have much things. So that's why a lot of people who been victim of things like this, people, them never get the full justice, so them forget in Jamaica. See? Because we lack of resources, people. You know what I mean? We lack of it. And man, I tell the people, same thing like them and now they are jail because then they hold him already, people, last year, right? And then they let him out and now them hold on for him back again because of illegal gun and this and that, people. For sure, owe them something wicked. Honestly. You know what I mean? A straight attack for that. Any boy, anybody at all, people who have that in their mentality, say, yo, them a go RAP in a body, yo, I don't even know. Dirt. Think a joke me I make. And when them say, you know, into these people, see, and the whole community know about them because they know, say, I trouble them in the places of people where they come from and how them are going in the car, then grown and them a do them thing of people. And them say, the mother hide the boy and send him to a different place and send catching over Spanish Town, go stay at friend. See, when they know police I look for him and something, hide him for you long. You get me? So you have parents out there now who know them pick me at the wrongs, people, and they support it, them, back them. Then I never give them up. I see something like this, boy, who lady could have been grandmother, people. And this is how we do to her. But that's still not unpunished. Same time I come in their jail now, people, and I know say, I don't really want to say certain things, but your time I go come, man. Well, go to the woman and talk about something you want. Demons, people. I have to tell you the story them say about this same thing of people. Them say, back then, you know, when you're young guy boy climb big old mango tree, people tie your rope to jump off. And a brother can save him and chop down limb, make him live. But it's better, if they make him turn up the people. Should never chop down that limb, else you know they get for this to the lady. But remember, man, they say the attack or you get same thing. You could have been a jailer anywhere you're there. See? Mama, I'm sorry for what happened to you. Yeah, my roaster there for crow. I'm sorry for what happened to you, mama. But remember, you're going to get a justice so you forget. And officers, you need to dig it up. You need to dig it up. See? You need to dig it up. And I send catching this thing here, you need to dig it up. The people, big up on yourself. I'm telling you, things like them are my people. Jamaica, only just season you know. Remember, please subscribe, like, share, comment, fully attack. Peace out.